When?
We go right? Why not? You have keys, right?
Yeah, I have the keys. Flowers! Look how cute!
You gotta go all the way straight to the thorns, huh? Look at you and thorns.
Hi guys. I haven't decided if I want this vlog to be like a talking vlog or like I kind of wanted to do like a little, it's like nighttime. It's like 7:39. I made these cookies. Every time I make a batch of cookies, I make myself cookies. So one, is my nose contour weird? So one, I can taste it just to double check. And also, I want a sweet treat too. It's like a reward. These are the cookies I made. It's like a different version of this isn't a test batch, but I'm touching this with my bare hands because it's my cookie, remember? I made it. These are the cookies and cream cookies. And they look a little bit better. Or I don't know if I showed you the other batch, but these ones are just bigger, my head for scale. I kind of have a big head though. I don't know. Did you know that I kind of have a big head? I feel like you can't really tell. Look. Like I just have like a very wide right here. And I have to like literally Google and specifically buy sunglasses for wide heads. Isn't that insane? Like you wouldn't think, I don't know. My dog's drinking right now, but let's break open this cookie together. And I made banana ones, the banana, you know the banana ones. I'm at a loss for words right now. I don't really know why. I'm kind of just blanking. I'm really tired, but it's okay. Anyways, I made the banana ones, but I already showed you guys that one. And I didn't make extras of that one for some reason. Just very soft, a little bit crispy edges, but very soft. It's just so good. Okay, I don't really want to eat it right now. If I'm being honest, I've been eating cookies like all day. I've been baking all day. I've had so many orders and I just wanted to like say thank you. I don't know if my orders are coming from here or if they're coming from like where the traction is coming from, you know what I mean? Like what social media my orders are coming from, or maybe it's all of them. So I just figured I would say thank you on all of them. But yeah, it's really fun. It's so nice. I feel like art in general, and especially like cooking and just me making jewelry, just art in general is very alchemy. I'm serious though. I've just showered. Everything shower. My hair's I put my hair in pillowcases when I dry my hair. Sometimes I'll do it in my man's t-shirts, but when I'm going for a more shinier look, what the fuck am I talking about? It's 10:26 p.m. I've baked so many cookies today. Everything is going to the post office tomorrow. My man's gonna drop them off on his way to the gym. A blessing. don't love the way I look in black. But this is my man's shirt, so I just grabbed it. You know when you just grab, okay. I love this snack. I'm literally obsessed with this snack. Maybe I just don't like the way I look in black when I'm pale. I've been out laying in the sun since it's been like 75 and over now in California, where I live anyways. So I have a little bit more color back into my freaking body. I miss the sun so much. Isn't he so cute? He loves strawberries. Howl. Howl. Ooh. 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 Come on. Louder. Yes. It's good enough. He's just a baby. A jasmine tea, jasmine green tea every single day. This is like, I like iced or hot, but this is room temperature. I don't really know why I did that to myself. I don't really have ice. I didn't make ice. I love having a sweet treat with my bitter tea. I let it steep for pretty long. I also really like black tea. I'm just like really a fan of like jasmine everything. Like I'll probably name my daughter Jasmine at some point. I'm not even kidding, it's on like my baby names list. And I also do like jasmine essential oils as perfume. You should try that, because if you want to use perfumes, obviously do whatever the fuck you want to do. But if you're like more into like the stuff that I'm into, I guess, like non-toxic beauty as much as you can. It's kind of hard for like everything to be non-toxic. I feel like some things I still use are still pretty toxic, but I try to stay as natural as possible. Like I feel like the Honest Beauty brand is really good. I use that for like my shampoo and my body wash. And then like really good hack that people don't talk about, I feel like, I've never heard people talk about it, is use, if you don't care about the smell and you want like a more non-toxic shampoo and you don't want to use Dr. Bronner's, listen, if you are saying that you use Dr. Bronner's on your hair, I just don't trust what you say, because your hair must be so strong. And I don't know, like I feel like my hair is pretty healthy. I don't use a lot of heat on it, like literally ever. The most I do is like I blow dry my roots sometimes. In the summer I do it less, in the winter I do it more. I'm literally just, yeah, this is like a yap sesh right now. Anyways, so this is semi-sweet chocolate chips and strawberries, and it's like a chocolate covered strawberry, but like if you're lazy. I know it seems a little chaotic, but just trust me. Strawberry, not chocolate, don't worry. I'm not stupid. How? Look. Also, if you see like red, well that's, okay, like red marks, I picked my face, okay? Pa, actually can I have the other one? Actually the other one. The other one. Actually, can I have the other one? What about the other one? No, the other one. You actually get 2 for that, but that's it, okay? Because you're a good boy and mommy loves you. It's me, my son. So cute, so handsome. So cute, so handsome. Love his little floppy ears. His floppy, I'm like obsessed. They're so cute. They just like flop forward. I don't know. My little angel. This vlog was supposed to be like a quiet, peaceful vlog, but I just like had to yap. It's like 2:56.